Good morning, students. Today we will continue our topic determiners, part third. Okay, and just recall what is the definition of determiner. A determiner is used before a noun. Okay. Now today possessive determiners: my, his, her, your, our, its, their. Now they use my friend has a ball. Friend noun and before noun my. Now it is a determiner. Our team is very good. Now team noun and this determiner. Your mother is a good singer. Now mother noun and your determiner. Okay, and sometimes these are used in this way. Now see the difference. You have done your work. Now see your work. Now it is pronoun. Okay, have you got the difference? As I have done my work. Okay, you can see here. If your, my, his, her, our, its, their are used in this way, then they are called pronouns. Okay. Next, distributives. It's now distributives: each, every, either, neither, both. Now see the use of these. Each child got a prize. Each child. Each is used for limited things. Means from a group, each person or each child. Okay. And each is used for singular and plural both. Now see here, each of the children plural, each of the children got the prize. We can use in this way also. Okay. Every person has a nose. A great number of persons are there, and every. Either road is safe. Now interrogatives: what, which, whose. Now see, what job will you prefer? Job, noun, then what? Which village do you live in? Or in which village do you live? Okay, in this way. Whose pen are you using? Okay. And next, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity: all, any, enough, little, less, much, more, most, a good deal of, a lot of, plenty of, a part of, and in this way maybe more. Now example: I don't have enough money. Okay, quantity, because we can't count. Now see, please give me a little milk. Little, we can't count this. Little milk. Next, adjectives of numbers. They are cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way, and ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth in this way. Now all, any, both, each, one, first, a number of. Okay. Now see the examples. All the students are doing their work. Okay. Both fans are out of order. You can see all. Numbers, countable. Both we can count. Fans. Both fans are out of order. And now the use of less and fewer. Less shows quantity and fewer shows number. Okay, how? I have less money. Fewer passengers are without ticket today. Fewer passengers. Okay, in this way. And next, I want to tell you one more thing that is very important also. The use of little, a little, the little. Okay, now see the difference. And the use of a few, the few. Okay, now first if we say give me little milk, as I have made here one container, just remember, and you can imagine it has you can see here it has milk, little, थोड़ा सा milk है. If we say give me little milk means already we have little milk, थोड़ा सा milk हमारे पास में है, and we want little, उसमें से थोड़ा सा हम चाहते हैं, थोड़ा सा. Then we say give me little milk. If we say give me a little milk, थोड़ा सा और दे दो, है ना. If we say give me the little milk means already ये थोड़ा है, लेकिन जो थोड़ा है वो सारा दे दो. Okay, once again, give me little milk, थोड़ा सा दे दो, and give me a little milk, थोड़े से और ज्यादा दे दो, and give me the little milk, थोड़ा ही है वो सारा दे दो. Okay, I think you have got this. And now few, a few, and the few. Few shops were opened there. Few shops means hardly. Suppose there are only 3 shops are there. 3 shops है anywhere, और उसमें से एक शॉप खुली हुई थी. Then we say few shops were open there, or maybe 4 shops, 5 shops are there, but उसमें से एक शॉप या 2 न के बराबर. Then a few shops were open there means maybe 2 shops open हो, 3 हो. फर्स्ट वाले में 1 शॉप, सेकेंड वाले में more than 1. A few shops were open there, and then the few shops were open there means जितनी भी shops वहां पर है, ऑलरेडी में थोड़ी है, लेकिन जितनी भी है वे सारी ही ओपन थी. It is the difference. And few, a few, the few is used for countable noun, and this is uncountable, you can see, or uncountable determiners we can see. Okay. Yes, students, if more than 1 determiners are given, then how can we use? Okay, this is the way. Yes, I have made one table for you. You can see here predeterminers, regular determiners, or post determiners. Predeterminers as all, both, half, 1/3, every, each, either, neither. Regular determiners a and this, that, these, those, my, your, what, in this way. Some, any, no. Post determiners 1, 2, first, next, last, many, some, several, few, more, in this way. Now the use you can see. All the apples are sweet. All predeterminers. Then the regular determiners. Okay, all the apples are sweet. Now these are particular apples, remember. Okay, half of the books are lost. Half of the books are lost. I shall catch the first train. The first train. The patient needs some more medicines. Some more, in this way. Okay, means if more than 1 determiners are given, then in this way they are used. First predeterminers, then regular, and after that post determiners. Okay, I think you have got this now, and in this way we have completed our determiners. Okay, so you have to note down these in your notebook. Goodbye.